Have you ever wondered what the coldest place in the universe is? This isn't about the chilliest winter day or the iciest glacier on Earth, but the most frigid corner of the cosmos itself. The concept of temperature, as we understand it here on Earth, takes on a whole different dimension when we venture into the realm of stars and galaxies. Unlike on our home planet, where a simple thermometer can do the trick, measuring temperature in the infinite expanse of space is a different ballgame altogether. So buckle up and stay tuned to discover the fascinating science behind measuring temperature in the vast expanse of space. In the depths of space, temperature isn't measured like it is here on Earth. Instead, the concept of temperature takes on a new meaning. It's not about how hot or cold the air around you is. In space, there is no air. The temperature is determined by the balance of incoming and emitted radiation. Picture this. You have a star emitting radiation. Objects near this star absorb part of this radiation and re-emit it. The closer an object is to the star, the more radiation it absorbs, and thus the hotter it becomes. However, as you move further away, the intensity of this radiation diminishes. This phenomenon is called the inverse square law. Essentially, the brightness of the radiation falls off as the square of the distance from the source. So an object twice as far from the star receives only a quarter of the energy. As a result, it's cooler. This is why the temperature in space can vary drastically depending on where you are. This balance of incoming and outgoing radiation ultimately determines an object's equilibrium temperature. It's a delicate dance, a cosmic tug-of-war between absorption and emission. Now that we understand the science of temperature in space, let's uncover the coldest place in the universe. Drum roll, please. The coldest place in the universe that we've found so far is the Boomerang Nebula. Located in the constellation Centaurus, this hauntingly beautiful nebula holds the record for being the universe's coldest known object. The Boomerang Nebula, also known as the Bow Tie Nebula, is a young planetary nebula. It's estimated to be about 5,000 light-years away from us. What makes it particularly fascinating is its chilling temperature. It's colder than the natural background temperature of space itself, which is about 2.7 Kelvin. The nebula, on the other hand, has a temperature of just 1 Kelvin, which is minus 458 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than the surface of Pluto. Astronomers discovered this chilly fact during observations with the Atacama Large Millimeter Submillimeter Array, or ALMA. They found that the nebula's temperature was lower than the background temperature of space due to the rapid expansion of gas within the nebula. This expansion causes the temperature to drop, much like how refrigerators use the rapid expansion of a refrigerant to cool their interiors. The Boomerang Nebula's unique structure also contributes to its frigid condition. It has a dense, dust-filled hourglass shape surrounded by a larger, round halo. This structure allows the nebula to maintain its super low temperature, making it the coldest known spot in the universe. Isn't it amazing that the coldest place in the universe isn't some distant, dark corner, but a beautiful nebula with a temperature lower than the natural background temperature of space? Remember, space continues to surprise us with its mysteries and wonders.